Today we're diving into one of the most powerful cordless vacuums on the market, the Dyson V15 Detect Plus. If you think all vacuums are the same, this one is about to prove you wrong. Let's start with the standout feature: laser dust detection. Yes, this vacuum actually uses illumination to reveal microscopic dust particles on hard floors that you normally can't see. It's honestly eye-opening and makes cleaning feel way more precise and satisfying. Now power: the V15 Detect Plus delivers a massive 240 air watts of suction, which puts it at the top of cordless vacuum performance. Whether it's carpets, hard floors, or pet hair, it handles everything effortlessly. And with 3 power modes, you can switch between Eco, Auto, and Boost depending on how deep you want to clean. One of the smartest features is its piezo sensor technology, which counts and sizes dust particles in real time and automatically adjusts suction power. So you're not just cleaning, you're cleaning intelligently. Battery life is also solid, giving you up to 60 minutes of runtime, which is more than enough for most homes. And the LCD screen shows real-time data like remaining time, power mode, and even what type of particles you're picking up. For pet owners, this vacuum is a game changer. The anti-tangle technology prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, making it perfect for homes with pets. It's also super versatile. It converts into a handheld vacuum, so you can clean cars, furniture, stairs, and tight spaces easily. Overall, the Dyson V15 Detect Plus is not just a vacuum, it's a high-tech cleaning system designed for deep, intelligent, and efficient cleaning. If you want top-tier performance with smart features that actually make a difference, this is absolutely worth checking out. Grab yours from the link in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Gadgetverse for more powerful tech reviews.